Hello everyone, my name is John. I'm based out of the South Florida area. I just wanted to give my kudos and my thanks to my buddy Philip. Really appreciate everything he's been doing and taking his time out to personally teach myself and everyone else that's been involved so far. Phil's style and philosophy and approach on how he's been teaching Forex has been extremely helpful. Breaks it down in a very easy to understand and rudimentary way so that it is really hard for you to miss it. If you aren't able to keep up with it, he does a great job with circling back or making personal time to chat with you one-on-one to make sure that you get it and that there's other resources available to you. So that's been very invaluable to myself. I just want to say, listen, if you are interested in this, please take it seriously. Take your time. There's really no rush. This is something that you're going to be learning as a skill that can help you forever, and you can help as many people in your circumference. So just want to say peace to Phil. Peace to everybody doing this, man, and happy hunting, everyone. Good luck.